How to prepare. This strand is challenging because its success depends on the extent to which you have collected or developed an arsenal of examples that are translatable for your students. The following recommendations are proposed. Download the NJSLS standards and read just the strand. Focus on the material needed now. Save the rest for another day. Generate an age-appropriate playlist of YouTube videos that explain what an algorithm is and how they work. Create posters for a technology word wall. Be sure to include key computer science, math, and directional terms and flowchart symbols. Create a post-test for grade 5 and use it as both a pre-test and post-test for grades 3 to 5. Learn how to use Scratch or similar programming. This strand provides a great opportunity to review and apply math concepts like counting, ordering, and sequence, repetition and loops, directions like up, down, left, right, and turn, and decision-making or conditional statements. Locate or develop and illustrate algorithms that meet the following criteria. A, are linear in nature. It starts, goes through several steps, then ends like tying your shoes. B, are repetitive in nature. It starts and repeats itself before ending. Think of repetition like an anaphora, the repetition of words at the beginning of a sentence. For example, in the I Have a Dream speech by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., there are two examples of repetition where the beginning of lines start the same. One is, I have a dream, and the second is, let freedom ring. C, contain a loop, which is a sequence that gets executed several times. Brushing one's teeth with an up and down motion is an example of a loop because you brush up, you brush down, repeat. D, contain conditional statements wherein your answer, yes or no, causes the program to move in a specific direction. E, complex algorithms that can be decomposed, broken down, into smaller, more manageable subproblems. F, error-ridden algorithms that require debugging, corrections in order to work. Here's a list of tasks that can be used to create algorithms. A, brushing teeth. B, tying shoes. C, getting ready for school. D, the typical school day. E, the recipe for baking cake. F, the method to solve a long division problem. G, doing laundry. H, bedtime routines. I, getting to and from a specific place like school or a grandparent's house. J, deciding what to eat. K, songs or poems that contain repetition like row, row, row your boat.